Coach Greg here at Spell Training, and today we have a no equipment arm strength workout. Maybe you want to get rid of some of those bat wings, maybe just tone and slim your arms. You don't have to have them as beefy as mine are, but this is gonna be a great workout for you. So let's get started right now. If you haven't already, you can go ahead and just click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. It just helps me, Coach Gabby, Coach Mayor know that you like the content that we're putting out. So let's get started with our first set. We will be doing 3 sets total. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises, and then the next 2 sets, it'll be a more of a complete run through so you can start toning and strengthening your arms. I'll be less talking my part, more doing on yours. So let's get started with our first exercise. We have lateral arm pulses. So here we go, 30 seconds on the clock. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, and let's pulse those arms. Really stretch with your fingertips. You don't need to have like a huge flapping motion. I'm not trying to fly away, but just here, stay in this pocket, really stretch, and your arms are gonna start burning any moment now. Stretch, reach with the fingertips. Make sure you're breathing. Tighten your core, just like this. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We're gonna move right along into behind the head claps. I like this. I'm so inflexible when it comes to this. You are gonna do amazing, way better than I am, but you just want your elbows as close to your side as you can, and we're just trying to clap behind our head, just like this. We're gonna feel it all in our shoulders and our back and our triceps. It's gonna be amazing. And here we go in 3, 2, and let's go. Really just try to be intentional about reaching behind, just like that. Make sure you're breathing. My triceps are already on fire. Just make sure you're squeezing. Really get them behind your head. I'm end up like here. If this is all you can do like me, then do that. Let's see if you can get behind your head more, because it really will just really feel it right up in here in your tricep. That's how you get rid of those bat wings. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I feel it. I hope you do too. Next, we have overhead prayers. Put your hands together as if you're praying. We are going to keep our arms almost like a 90-degree angle, and we're just trying to reach our elbows as high as we can and lower them. Really be intentional in squeezing with your hands. You want the isometric press. Here we go in 3, 2, let's go. Right over your head like that. Really squeeze. You're gonna feel it in your chest and your tricep and your biceps. Just like here. Just like that. Bam. It's important to make sure you're pressing, because if you just doing this is easy, but when you're pressing with your hands, that's what really makes it hard. Here we go, a couple more. 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Shake out those arms. We have tricep kickbacks next. Knee slightly bent. Hinge forward. Arms behind you, palms facing up. 30 seconds. And let's just do these kickbacks. Just pulse here. Try not to bring your arms all the way forward, because that's relieving your arms of all that tension you're building. So just stay right here in this pocket. It's almost like those arm pulses from earlier. So just right here. Brace your core. Really extend as far back as you can. You're gonna feel it in your triceps. They're gonna be on fire like mine are. Just like that. Come on. Couple more seconds. Finish strong. You got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That was your first set done. I'm grabbing water. You should too, because we have set number 2 coming up any moment now. We now know what we're doing. So let's just get into it. Here we go. Lateral arm pulses in 3, 2, and 1. There you go. Really reach. Now that you know what you're doing, focus on your intention. Reach your arms out. Again, try to stay here, because if you drop your arms, then you lose. You're taking a break essentially. So see if you can just stay, keep your arms up as high as you can, and really just stay in this top area. Just like that. Couple more seconds. We're almost there. Got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms. Behind the head claps next in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. You can go as fast or as slow as you need. I'm just trying to make sure I'm bringing my arms back, being able to clap behind my head. I just don't want to end up cheating and just doing a bunch like this. I'm like, I want to be intentional about the exercise. Make sure I'm working out what I want to work out, right? There it is. Couple more seconds. There we go. 3, 2, and 1. Dang. My triceps always are on fire after that one. But don't worry, we have overhead prayers next. And 3, 2, and 1. Like I said, press with your hands. Bring those elbows up. Try not to think about your hands being the thing that you're trying to bring up. See how high you can get your elbows up. That's the goal. Make sure you're pressing. Just like so. This is really gonna help you tighten the back of your arms. And then next, in 3, 2, and 1, shake it off. We have tricep kickbacks. Here we go. 3, 2, and let's go. Really reach back with your fingertips. Just try to stay in this pocket right here. Make sure you're breathing. And then we're almost done with set number 2. Come on. This is going by so fast, isn't it? Time flies when you're having fun or in pain. Here we go. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Very, very good. One more set. Reward yourself with some water. I'm about to do that. And then we have set number 3 coming. We know what we're doing. Let's just finish strong. Let's not even think about it. We got arm pulses. Let's get it in 3, 2, and 1. Make sure you're breathing nice and deep. As you can tell, I'm going a little slower on these arm pulses because my arms are on fire. If you need to take a break, but just get right back into it. It's not about how many reps that you do. It's like, you know that there's time limit, 30 seconds, so see how much you can do in that time. That's all that matters. And then come back to this video later and then see how long you can go again. 3, 2, and drop. Oh, all right, behind the head claps, the bane of my existence. Here we go. 3, 2, let's go. Just like that. This is good because it also works at your back and your chest. When you're in this position, you have to stay open. And then when you're in this position, you're pinching your back, squeezing the shoulder blades together. And then right up in here, bam, triceps on fire. There it is. Couple more seconds. You're halfway there. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, shake those arms out. We have overhead prayers in 3, 2, and 1. Press with your hands and fingers. Bring those elbows up. Just like that. Great job. Feels good. Couple more seconds of this, and then we're ending with tricep kickbacks. And then we're done. Come on, finish strong. 3, 2, 1 more. Ooh, great job. Right into tricep kickbacks. Don't even think about it. 3, 2, let's go. Reach with the fingertips. You're doing amazing. We're doing a great job. There you go. Really pulse with the arms. They should be on fire by now. Don't give up yet. Keep going. Come on, we got a couple more seconds. You can do this. You can last a couple more seconds. Let's go. I believe in you. This is where it's made. We got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. That was your no equipment arm strengthening workout. I hope your arms are nice and tired because mine are. And if you like this video, go ahead, like I said earlier, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I'm Coach Greg, and I will see you in the next one. Stay strong and healthy, my friend. Peace.